To a customer, the Three Stripes trademark stands for the world-class quality sport wear of Adidas. And the Tiger trademark makes this well-known balm easy to recognize. Trademarks help us to identify different products and services and to tell them apart. But what is a trademark? It is any sign which can be represented graphically and is capable of distinguishing one company's goods or services from those of another company. Such signs can usually include words, letters, logo, and the shape of goods or their packaging. A trademark could very well be the most valuable marketing tool a company possesses. And just like any other valuable possession, it needs the most secure protection possible. If you already have a trademark or are creating one, you can secure legal proof of ownership by registering your application with the National IP Office. It's something that you can do yourself or with help of a specialist. But if it's in another country, a national of that country may have to register it for you. Whatever you decide, your mark will have to go through various stages before it is officially registered. As mentioned earlier, a trademark may include words, letters, logos, and the shape of goods or their packaging. An accurate representation of this mark and an application form will have to be filed at the National Office. Your application is then examined to establish whether the mark you have submitted fulfills the requirements necessary for registration. For instance, you won't be able to register a word or a device that is in any way descriptive of the goods or services it relates. What is more, objections may be raised if the mark is laudatory, a common surname, or a geographical name. Such requirements are fair to everyone because they allow competing companies to use words required in the normal course of their trade. In some countries, the next stage is to search through the trademarks register to see whether or not your mark conflicts with other registered trademarks or pending applications. If the application is not searched or the result of the search doesn't appear to infringe on any registered mark and it fulfills the requirements for your registration, your application should be accepted. The mark is then registered, and this registration gives you an exclusive right to use the mark for a number of years, depending on the country to which it applies. Trademarks are renewable indefinitely in most countries. If you intend to use your trademark in other countries, you will need to apply for registration in each country. If you're in any doubt on any of these matters, contact a trademark attorney or your National IP Office.